Hello and welcome to June's Artsnacks unboxing. For their 10th anniversary, this time I got everything inside a really cool Artsnacks pencil case. I have another one of these cases in a different color from a previous box, and I use it all the time, so I'm really excited to have another one. We also have our snack, our handy info card and sticker, 2 colors of Graphite Graph O twin tip markers, and a set of 4 King Art metallic pens. I just finished up a commission of some giant cat paintings, which I'll have to share later, and so I wanted to draw a cat today. King Art is a really good brand that's nice quality, but is also a lower price point that's pretty affordable, so I'm excited to try some more of their products. Like this pack of 4 retail would be $7, and these are really nice so far as I'm trying them out. I already have a lot of brush tip style metallic pens and markers, so it's nice to have this different kind that has more of a bullet point and you get a consistent 1mm line as you go along. These are super opaque and they even can draw right over each other, so whatever color you layer on top, it'll completely cover what's underneath, which is good to know. I can see these as being really great over a black background. I also appreciate that these are waterproof since not all metallic pens are. The color and sheen is really consistent coming out of these. I have nothing but good things to say about them, and I know that I will use these a ton in my own art. Now the markers have 2 different ends on them, which I always appreciate. A brush tip and just a regular felt tip nib. These are more transparent and they are not waterproof, so they blend with water, which can be really convenient sometimes. I'm not going to be doing that today because I don't have a paintbrush. Have to follow the challenge rules. It did not come with a paintbrush, so I'm going to try that out later. This color is really pretty brilliant, and though this tip I'm using is the brush tip, it's very firm, so I can still get really nice fine lines, and then I can press down to get more of the fanned out brush effect. But I definitely like the firmness of this. As far as water-soluble brush markers, I typically use Tombow brand, but their brush tip is a little bit softer and it kind of fans out, and especially after you've used it over and over and over again, it kind of fuzzes out a little bit and gets very soft and feathery. So again, I really like this tip, and I think I will try some more of these likely because they're about the same price point. Cute kitty, fun Artsnacks box. I really enjoyed all these products I got today, and these are definitely things that I will use regularly in my own art, and I will definitely be looking for more colors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this unboxing and want to see future ones, or if you want to see some of my other art demos, insights into my process, all that good stuff, be sure to subscribe.